Hi guys, welcome back to another video where today I'm going to be discussing my progress with the prop trading on the challenge this month. So I'm now 2 weeks into my challenge on the £200,000 account, so therefore I needed to make an 8% or $16,000, and currently I'm at -1%. So it's been a real up and down start to the challenge for me. Now when I started I was trying to do a lot of copy trading between my FTMO account and just replicate on the MT5 account, but couldn't find any particular program that was working very well. So then reverted back to manual trading and I had a real up and down few days with it. So I started off in positives, about 1 or 2% up, and then hit a real bad patch, and before I knew it I was down about 2%. And since that point I've been alternating between in profit, in loss, profit, loss, profit, loss. So I really need to get that consistency back and make sure that by the time I get to the 1 month up, I'm definitely in a positive position, therefore I can get a free retry if I don't make the 8% target. But the aim is always to make the 8% and therefore pass the challenge. It may be that psychologically there's a few differences between trading on my FTMO account at £70,000 and flipping that up to $200,000, just getting familiar with the trade sizing, the lots again on a different broker. But in reality, you should be able to put that to one side and just focus on placing the trade, letting it do what it has to do, and therefore taking the profit or the loss. Unfortunately, I've taken more losses than profits, and I really want to turn that around in the next week. It's been fun using MT5. There are some definite benefits in the features they have in that new platform, but as always there's that historical things that you're used to doing things in a certain way in MT4, and therefore you want them to carry over into the new platform. They don't always replicate the same. Now personally I'm happy if they stick with the one broker, just stick with MT5. I know a lot of people saying, yeah, I want to have C-Trader or MT4. As always is you get used to what you're trading on, and if you are going to be purely working with the prop trading firm themselves, then just get used to the one platform and you'll have no issues in the future. I've been placing a variety of trades all throughout the day just to see if there had been slow down times with the broker, because when I started off there were a few anomalies and it was a bit slower, especially on trading indices in the afternoon. So I've mainly been trading on gold and I've had no issues at all with the slowdown on the platform, but there was 1 or 2 occasions trading euro dollar. It was a little bit slower just to do the execution, but it still got in at the same price I wanted to get in to trade at. I think everyone's now starting to become a little more comfortable with the prop trading as an entity and as a firm. There was also a lot of trepidation when they first started out. Are they legitimate? Are they going to pay out? Are they going to take their money and run? But also there have been a lot of interviews online in the past few weeks with the CEO and everything looks to be pretty good. The Telegram group's expanded massively in the past couple of weeks. I think it's now well over 800 people in the group. And they're actively discussing all the time around problems they're having with customer support, whether it's fast, whether it's slow, how they're getting on with the trading. And also a few guys in there now have actually managed to get the 8% and gone back to the prop trading, asking for their next login details to be able to do the verification phase and therefore get funded. The only negative was pointed out quite quickly to me in that I hadn't read all of the FAQs, and I was trying to hold a crypto position over a weekend, and that's actually one of their rules. It's actually banned and you can't do that. I totally understand why the brokers are closed at the weekend, even though crypto is massively trading and can have some huge swings and volatility. I had the tiniest position possible open and therefore was only down about $7 or $8 when I closed the position come the Sunday night. I did get an email from the customer support team telling me that I was in violation of one of the rules, but they'd let it slide on that one occasion and not to do it again, which I haven't. I've left crypto well alone just because it's just not worth going near. So in summary, pretty good experience so far with the prop trading. I've had no issues with the broker, no issues with their customer support teams. Telegram group's working fantastically well, and I really can't wait to get to the next 2 weeks, see if I can make that 8% total. If not, get into positive and start again. So I'll see you on my next update. Cheers.